Hi guys, this is a video of a tutorial about installation and knowledge of our project and our studio. For the first time, we are going to install the CRAN, the package repository of our project. The first step is to access in the web browser of your preference the R project site. You can simply search for CRAN R project in the web browser and next click on the link. At the first message, access Download or Windows and next install OR for the first time. ONS is the first time installing OR on the computer. Then it's necessary only click on Download or Windows, the new version, and you'll have the CRAN on your personal computer. The second step is open the program saved in the folder of your preference. You can't see my screen at this moment because I'm with the administrator screen open, asking me for permission to do the installation, so I'll click yes. It will be necessary to choose the idiom of preference to use installation wizard and next agree to the terms of use. The next screen is the destination folder where the program will be saved. There are two types of installations, user mode and custom installation. If you are an initiate or basic level user, I recommend using the user mode. In this way, the predefinitions of the program will be chosen automatically. If you like to choose software personalization, then it's advisable to follow the custom installation. Anyway, the next screen asks you about initial personalizing settings too. The wizard installation informs that a folder will be created for R on the Start menu. In the question of shortcuts, it's possible to choose a way on the desktop and an initialization bar. In my opinion, shortcuts pollute the screen and then I won't click on these boxes. Also, it's possible to save the version number on the register and associate any archive on our language to be opened using the software when accessed. So, it's necessary to wait for a bit to occur the installation. It won't during more than 5 minutes if you have a regular machine. Well, this was the R project CRAN installation. I will open the navigator and search for R Studio. So I begin redirected to installation site. I click on R Studio Download and R Studio Download again. In this part, the website informs that it's necessary to have installed the CRAN before, as I said at the start of this video. Here, I highlight that the version downloaded by us in the previous video from our project is compatible with this RStudio version because it is higher than R3.3. Finally, we found Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. Now I will open the archive. You can't see my screen at this moment because I'm with the administrator screen open, asking me for permission to do the installation. So I'll click yes. Wizard installation opened, and basically here are the successive screens clicking next. It will be saved in the RStudio folder and we are going to have a folder with that same name on the start menu. Well, here it only clicks install and waits some minutes. Although it is a heavier version than CRAN, This installation doesn't spend more than 3 minutes on a standard computer. Okay, now the final screen is informing that all succeed well. I will execute the program. Probably you'll see this message too. The window is only explaining that RStudio needs a version of R. It's probably that, like me, you are using a 64-bit machine. So we won't change this option and we click OK. Ready? RStudio was opened for the first time. In the sequence, I will show you how to use the online version from RStudio. The first step is to search for the RStudio Cloud on the internet. The existing link will forward to the login area. As it is our first time here, we'll click on Sign Up to subscribe. Here you can fill in your best email, password, name and last name. Our destination is Deposit Cloud. So, we do the login using that same data from the previous page, and it will be necessary to access the informed email for confirmation. Next, click on Confirm. This is the appearance of the home page of Deposit Cloud. Creating your first program, it's simple. Just go to New Project, New RStudio Project. As you can see, the appearance is the same as that RStudio desktop. For better navigator, you can hide the lateral bar, click F11 to full screen and hide the top bar. In this way, you can create R archives on any online computer. See you in the next video.